In this video, I'll show you how to generate unlimited voiceovers without spending a dime. Let's get started. Launch the Clipchamp website and sign into your account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, locate the text-to-speech feature and hit the Try It button to get to the editor. The first step is to upload your own media files, such as videos or images. You can skip this part if you're only interested in the text-to-speech feature and don't want to edit your video in Clipchamp. Next, click the text-to-speech option at the bottom and a toolbar appears on the right-hand side. Click the drop-down arrow to select the language you want to use. Then, choose the voice you want. There are multiple voice options for each language. Hit the play button to listen to a preview of your selected voice. Use the advanced settings to tweak the pitch and pace. For some voices, you can even pick different emotional tones. Next, enter your script into the text box. Keep in mind that the maximum length for each voiceover is 10 minutes. Click Preview to check the audio, and then hit the Save button. Now it's time to download your masterpiece. Click the Export button in the top right corner and select the video resolution you want. Need just an audio file? As of now, Clipchamp doesn't support direct MP3 downloads. Simply download your creation as an MP4 and use a free video-to-audio converter to get your MP3 file. Check out the link in the description below.